Hello everybody and welcome back to our day 2 of our critical vocabulary this week. So let us go ahead and get started and review what we learned yesterday. So we had elegant, foreboding, episode, scowled, and intimidated. So let us go ahead and get started with our words for today. So first we have subdued. Now I'd like y'all to take a minute and think what subdued might mean. So if something that is subdued is quiet and low-key, this used as an example is, Amy answered her phone in a subdued voice so she would not wake the baby. So she had to be quiet and low-key and not make a lot of noise. Our next word is disheveled. Now, I'd like all to take a second and look at the picture and think what disheveled might mean. If someone looks disheveled, he or she is not neat or tidy. So an example of this used in a sentence is, Tommy has a disheveled bedroom that is messy, meaning it's not neat, he has things lying around everywhere, and he just does not have a clean bedroom. So our next word is rigid. Now take a moment and think what rigid might mean. Something that is rigid is stiff and does not bend easily. My mistake. That does not bend easily. So this used in a sentence is, the gymnast held her body in a rigid pose as she practiced her routine, meaning that she held her body very stiff to keep the balance so that she wouldn't move or her body be super flimsy and moving around, so she kept her body stiff as a board. So our next word is feisty. Now stop and think for a moment and what might feisty mean. Someone who is feisty is bold, energetic, and determined. So an example is, before the big soccer game, the players felt feisty and full of energy, meaning they were excited, they were energized, ready to go play the game. And our last word of the day is sulked. Now, take a moment, look at the picture, and think what sulked might mean. If you sulk, you were crabby because you were annoyed or disappointed about something. This used in a sentence is, Melissa sulked in her room when she saw that it was raining outside, meaning she was disappointed that she probably couldn't go play or hang out because it decided to rain that day. So these have been our critical vocabulary words of this week. Please go back and review these words along with the words that we learned yesterday, so that we can study and do really, really good on our vocabulary quiz on Friday. So I will see you next week for some more critical vocabulary words. Have a good rest of your day.